So good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday. Probably not now. It's not gonna be Sunday when you're seeing this, but it's Sunday now that I'm doing it. And we're going to church. I haven't been to church in a hot minute, but going to church today. And yeah, church starts at, I think we're going to the 7 o'clock service, and it's after 7 now. But anyways, get ready, go try to fix my hair. Amari's already ready, and I'm eating bread and egg. What? Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, so hey, good morning, handsome. How are you?
I'm good.
You're good? What you having for breakfast?
Egg.
Eggs? What else?
Wow.
Oh, so where are you going this morning?
What is
Nuggets.
nuggets?
Alright. Alright, so we're on our way now to church. You kind of look alright-ish. Good morning, Jason.
Morning.
How are you?
Sleepy.
Ish. You kind of look nice today.
Nah, it's look nice.
Sometimes.
Go that way.
Yeah, record.
And for some reason, I feel nervous. I haven't been to church in a long time, and I just feel really, really nervous. Alright, guys. So, I just woke up. Jason went on the road. My hair looks crazy, I know, but yeah. So I don't know if I can see those clothes all over. I'm going to be folding those, but I'm gonna eat some food first. Jason cooked before he left, so I'm gonna be doing that. And then the worst thing happened, yo. Like the time when I like sat down and planned out everything, my phone stopped working, so I don't even know if this video is recording right now. But I'm gonna give Amari some. What do you want? So he doesn't want the food. He wants apples and grapes. I'm just gonna give him some apples and grapes, and then I'm gonna allow him to watch some cartoon while I fold the laundry. So, ready for apples and grapes?
Yeah.
Okay. Amari's practically dinner now. This is what he's gonna be eating. He'll probably eat this later, I'm not sure, but you go and sit down so I can give it to you. Here you go. What do you say? What do you say? Thank you. You're welcome. Alright, so to pack up his bag and just put everything one place. So tomorrow it's going to be easy for us when we get up in the morning. We can just, grab and go. So later on in the night, I'm going to put out his socks and shoes and all of that. Jason already ironed. So at least we can try to get him to school on time tomorrow. Because he has been late like every day for a couple of days now. Like, he should be there at 8 and we're always there after 8. So at least when we do this, then we have time. You understand? So I'm just gonna put his juice and his snacks in his lunch bag now. Yeah. Okay guys, so this is basically what Amari is having. Just give him some fruits. I'm gonna put this in the fridge until tomorrow. I'll put that in his bag. There are 2 snacks, 2 juice in his bag right now. This is going to go in there tomorrow, but this is for him to have during school, and this is something for him to snack on after school until I pick him up. So yeah, and then tomorrow morning I'm also going to fill this with water. So he has water, he has his fruits, snacks, and he gets lunch at school. So this is basically it. I'm gonna put his lunch bag over in the couch right now, put this in the fridge, and put this in his knapsack. So yep. What color is this? This one?
Yellow. Green.
Alright. So what are these?
Balls.
Can you count how many balls are there?
3, 4, 5.
Start at 1.
1.
No,
this one. This is 1.
Alright, count them.
3, 4.
Count.
1, 2,
3. Good. So we're going to be coloring 2 of the balls. Can you show me 2 fingers?
2 finger.
No, that's 1 finger. Show me 2 fingers.
2
See there? 1, 2. So that's the end of our vlog. If you like today's day in the life, you can please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye.